guys. Here. Crystal. Chester. Here. Jack. Yeah. Jacko. Thank you. Crystal. Here, Jill. Come on. Come on. You can do this. Yeah? Don't just follow us in the bucket. Come on. Yeah. Jill. Jill. Right there. You missed. Okay. Jill, there you go. Come on. Watch this piece. Yeah? Yeah, Jack? You want it? Yes? Okay. You want this one? Jack, you need another one? Does Jill want it? Does Jill want it? Yeah? Here you go. Jill. Let's go. Who wants this one? Who wants this one? Crystal, huh? Or does Chester want it? There you go. Who wants this one? Does Chester want this one? Yeah? The big fluffy boy? What? Okay. Stop. Here you go. Come on. You want this one, Crystal? Okay. I don't know if we have enough left for all of you. There's more kitties. You want this one? What's the last one? You have to get it. Yeah? Okay. Good job. You guys want one more? Yeah? You all want it? Yeah? Amika? Yeah? Okay. Who do you think gets it? Who wants it? Okay. There you go, Amiga. Or Jack. There you go, Amiga. Hattie, eat it. Jill. Chester. Or Chester. Nope, it's down there. Right there, by your foot. There you guys go. Good job. Yeah. And then, hi, Clover. Hi. You not want to come? They're too big for you? They're kind of scary, huh? Especially hard when you only have 3 legs to go with, huh? I'll feed you by yourself, okay? Okay. Can you guys say bye? Gonna jump up in front? Huh? Okay.